they are come under non-ferrous. It's a process of joining metal by using layer of non-ferrous metal between the surface to join. The alloy used for brazing is known as spalter, combination of copper and zinc. It is the brazing rod and silver brazing soldering rod and used the type of spalter metal, and it is mostly combination of copper and zinc. Adhesive method, this you understood because adhesive means there are resin hardness. This commonly used in epoxy adhesive. This adhesive is strong bond between the metal to be assembled, and this is not affected by the modern moisture of or heat. It is usually supplied in a container and tubes. One is a resin, other is a hardness. So this is a most nowadays research is done on this basis, and it is maximum used in the industry. Without epoxy, nobody will join anything. If you want to put a dome flange or anything, you have to apply the epoxy. Without epoxy, they are not. Gasket is to gather, they are providing the epoxy. And the research is going on from this LT and all companies. And new hardener resin, who will even you can apply in the water also. Resin hardener mix, you can apply there also. And you can stop leakage and you can avoid the shiny color, maybe anything. Resin hardener, but the cost also that metal very high. The chemicals are very costly also. Different machine. I mean, MCL done, but MCL type there are resin. And another, have you heard about that araldite? Araldite. Even that granite also they are sticking with the help of araldite. Araldite. This is also very common. Such that this is also harder resin. You can stick your marble. Granite of a black color. Granite is very decorative type of. They are applying araldite over there. And एक गलाम गड डोलन they allow for the 1 day full for drying proper. एक दिन सुकून डोलन, then it becomes very hard. They might shoot now. Mostly all the stone industry they are applying their araldite joint. बड़े बंगला पे काम करते हैं. एक दिन गायला की joint shoot ना हो. Such type of adhesive आज का खूब है industry. उसका underwater पुट्टी बनाता है. Mix करप लाओ one. The technology is very high now. But you should have some idea. Fitter, they called like only fitter will apply water. Right? This is one fitter, you have to able to apply it. So threaded joints, bolts and nut. This is also be covered. This is a clearance type bolt, means the bolt diameter and the hole we are going to fit. We are going to pass the two parts nut bolt. There is a clearance is there. That bolt is called clearance bolt. Okay, slight hole misalignment from the center. You can adjust it over this type of seat. Clamp together to two parts together. When bolts and nuts are used, why I am taking this is second time, because this topic is important for the fitter wise. But तुमके idea असपद है. मैं आप परत घेतो. खूप से basic topic आहे. तुमको याद होईल पाहिजे. There are certain very important from here. When bolts and nuts are used, if the threaded is strips, a new bolts and nut can be used. But in the case the screw directly fitted in the component, when the threads are damaged, the component may need to extensive repair or replacement. So depending on the types of application, different types of bolts are used. This is a clearance bolt with a clearance hole. This is the most common type of fastening arrangement using bolt. So generally fastening joint cross. Fastening of joint cross, we require fasteners. Fastener means all types of nut and bolt come under this, including your rivets. Then welding, it is also fastening process. It is permanent joint, weld marab. Rivet also permanent joint. Right? And nut bolting, we are doing fastening. So for the fastening purpose, we require a fastener. Fasteners all nut and bolts. Okay, rivets. The size of the hole is slightly larger than the bolt, the clearance hole. A slight misalignment in the matching holes with no effect in the assembly. On this, there will be a two questions. Exam after exam. Maybe this picture they will give you. Identify which type of bolt it is. whether a clearance bolt or body fit bolt. So body fit bolts is like this. Okay, there is no clearance. There is no clearance hole here. Exact diameter of the bolt, there will be a hole. You have to tap it and insert into the part. This type of body fit bolt, this type of bolt assembly is used when the relative movement between the workpiece has to prevent. There is a relative motion. Relative motion में दोन part move जाता है एक मोठा. Crank shaft आणि ते एक गोल्या तो oscillate जाता और rotate जाता तो असं होता. Then there are two relative motion between the part and then you join केलं. In that case, relative motion avoid करतो. काय? आता ड्रिलिंग मशीन माउंट केलं आणि बेंच ड्रिलिंग मशीन रोटेट ही बेंच आणि विशेष अल्फा जाय ना. You have to avoid it, then you have to go for this type of body fit bolt. So my the diameter of the threaded portion is slightly smaller than the shank diameter bolt. The bolt shanks and the hole are accurately machined for achieving the perfect match. So whatever the bolt diameter, same type diameter hole has to be drilled. Third bolt is called anti-fatigue bolt. This type of bolt is used when the assembly is subjected to alternate load condition continuously. This type of bolt, see this bolt ring. Okay, anti-fatigue bolt means what? Anti-fatigue bolt means, see, fatigue means what? Coaxial component.